Hey everyone, I'm Asma Khalid from Cloud Pages, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you guys can restore your site from backups in Cloud Pages. So without further ado, let's just go straight to the video. Okay guys, so let's just restore a site. Okay, so when you come in your Cloud Pages account, just click on your project, select backups from the left hand side menu, choose your backup schedule, which would be this one. And over here you can see my backup file is all prepared. So if I click on restore, you will have the choice to choose a new server and the choice to restore to existing site or create new site. Okay, so when choosing a server, in case your server is corrupted or it is hacked or you have accidentally deleted it, no worries, you can just simply restore your backup to any other server you want. So currently my site is in demo server, but I will put it in LPIP. Next, I would restore it either in an existing site, which would be my site, or I can simply create a new site. So if I want to create a new site, I will just type AK backup and I will choose a test domain. So over here, I'll be like backup AK and just click on restore backup. Okay guys, so the restoration process has started. A new website will be deployed in LPIP server. So my previous site was in demo server, but now it will be in LPIP server. So this will only happen if you guys can also restore it in the existing server as well, if your server is not corrupted. But if somehow, God forbid, your server is corrupted or hacked or deleted, you guys can also restore it in any other server. So for this demo purpose, I am deploying my new site in LPIP server. So with that, I'll be using a test domain. So with Cloud Pages, you guys now have the choice to create a site using test domain. This is a new feature that we have. So now when I restore my site, it will be deployed in this server with this domain name. So the restoration process is going on. This will take a little time. It will only depend on the size of your site. If your site is a small site, it will be immediately deployed as like this. So our site is deployed. And if your site is a little heavy site, it will take a little time. So don't worry about that. So my site is restored. If I go back to my project dashboard and I click LPIP server now, you guys will see my new site is deployed over here. So when I click on this, my file will be shown over here. So it will be the exact copy of the site that is already in demo server. Sorry, this is taking a little time. So as you guys can see, this is the same site. If I will show you the original site, let me show you the original site. So in demo server, I had this site already. This was the site and this is now the backed up site. It's the exact same thing. So that's it for today's video. If you still guys have any questions, just drop a question in the comment section below. Thank you.